Hi everyone, it's E. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really different from anything I have done so far on this channel. And it's because I've fallen in love with Zombies, the Disney movie, the Disney Channel original movie, which you'll know if you watched my previous video, which would have been the review video covering Zombies and Zombies 2. But because I loved it so much, I thought I would do like a closet cosplay for the movie to do, I guess, the intro for my review video. So that's what this video is going to be, the closet cosplay for Zombies and Zombies 2. So I'm going to be making myself into a zombie from Disney's Zombies. And we're going to start off with the outfit, and I'm going to say goodbye to my doggy. Get on the bed. All right. So I'm thinking for the outfit, I've got just a black shirt and these ripped jeans. And for the top, I'm going to wear this flannel and this jacket. It is Texas and it is hot, so I'm not gonna wear this all day long. But I noticed in Zombies 2, particularly Eliza was wearing a lot of plaid, and they all have like jackets on. And to me, the thing that makes Zombies the most like unique style-wise is their accessories. So I've got like mismatched dangly earrings because Eliza wears those all the time. So let's jump into that. Okay. The Zombies also like to have like mismatched sleeve length, which I'm not gonna cut off the sleeves of this jacket or of my flannel, but some ways I can kind of jazz this up to make it look a little more zombified. I think I'm gonna put some like safety pins on it because I saw that they did that too, like they had like just pins on their clothes. So I'm gonna add some of those. The zombie style's kind of grunge, so I'm gonna wear some of my Doc Martens. I am kind of spoiled for choice with shoes that would look good with this or that could pass for like zombie shoes. I've got like worn out Converse, which Zed wears in the second movie, and I've got like combat boots like Eliza wears, but I'm gonna go with these, and my dog's gonna help, I guess. Welcome to my bathroom. So next up I'm gonna put in some contact lenses because zombies don't tend to wear glasses. And then I'm going to do something fun with my hair using this stuff. It's like hair wax, and hopefully it will make my hair look green enough to show up on camera. And yeah, then we'll do makeup. I'm really grateful I have short hair, so it's not going to get all over my clothes when I do this. This is how they do it in all of like the clickbaity advertisements for this. Definitely green. This smells like men's shaving cream, which is not a bad thing. This makes me wonder what they actually did for the movie, because Milo Manheim, the guy who plays Zed, he's obviously not wearing a wig in the movie, and I don't think that they permanently dyed his hair either, because there are scenes in the movie where he's got like his natural human hair, and I just don't think they would do that to him anyway. So I wonder if they used a product like similar to this, like that you know, works a little better. I did like a test patch of this the other day, and the thing that really made it like go in evenly is I first slathered it on, and then I brushed it with like a hairbrush so that it like coated more evenly. And then after that, after it dries. Then I went back in with like this hairbrush I have that's more like for making your hair shiny and like polished looking. And that really like sealed the deal and made it look even. Now it wasn't like super bright green, but it definitely was green. I feel like I've got it pretty much all through my hair at this point. I'm going to make sure it's super concentrated in the front because that's where you'll be seeing it on camera when I do my intro for the video. Looks very nice, very nice. I gotta tell you, this is kind of unpleasant feeling. Look at my brush. Crispy, crunchy. My brush is ruined. Okay, so now you may be wondering how I'm going to achieve the gray zombie skin, because yes, we're going there. We're going all the way there today. So what I'm going to do is use makeup products I already have at home to make it. So I'm going to use this BB cream that I have. I got this on Amazon, and it's really not my skin tone. It's kind of like a brownish color. It's a little too dark, but it definitely has cool gray undertones to it. So it'll be perfect for this. I'm gonna mix this with gray and blue eyeshadow that I have, and it's from a certain makeup brand. I'm not gonna say the name because I'm just not going to, but I don't really care about like keeping my eyeshadows pressed and pretty in the pan, so I'm just gonna scrape it up with a nail art tool. I'm gonna use this to scrape up the eyeshadow and mix it up with the foundation and then slather it on my face. And we're just gonna lean into the fact that I have these dark circles under my eyes and really sunken in eyes, because that'll just like fit with the whole zombie aesthetic. So I'm just gonna, today's makeup look is gonna really play to my strengths. So let's make the face paint. Okay, so I put a piece of saran wrap down on my kitchen counter. So I've got the gray and the blue, and I put a little bit of like this pale pearlescent white. None of these are particularly shimmery. The white is a little bit, so I'll have a little bit of a glow going. But I'm gonna add some like contour back to my face after I do this. So this is just gonna be the base layer. So here's the foundation, and here is the eyeshadow. I'm gonna swirl this up, and we'll see what we get. I've tried this already before and it worked pretty well, so hopefully it works as well this time, because last time I made it a little too dark, it was too gray, so this time I added a lot more of the pale blue. Yeah, see, it's starting to mix together. And I might water this down a little bit so it's not chunky, because the eyeshadow makes it a little bit chunky. Alright, I'll be back when I'm ready to put this on my face. Did a little like test patch on my skin to see how the color looks. I think it looks pretty good, and especially once I go back and add more like contour later, the color will be even better. So let's get this all over me. Okay, so this is clearly not my shade. I blended down my neck a little bit, but I'm not gonna do my whole chest and everything. But anyway, you can see it's kind of one-dimensional here. This green. Ugh. So I'm gonna highlight and contour a little bit with an unnamed palette. I'm using eyeshadow because like I don't know of a contour palette that would have like grays and blues and stuff. So I'll be back when I'm done with that. Okay, so here's the skin done basically. So you can see I put a little bit of like contour, just highlight, whatever, just to bring some dimension back to my face, because like being all gray kind of makes you look a little dead, wouldn't you know? So now I'm gonna do the eye makeup, which is my favorite part, which is really what's gonna make it look like a zombie and look like zombies from the movie Zombie. So I'm gonna do like brown all the way around to my eye, like really blended out and diffused, and then I'm gonna do like a burgundy red just like on the eyelid and under eye. And I'm going to do something really fun, which is I'm going to put some green eyeshadow in my eyebrows. They don't do that in the movie. They don't have green eyebrows in the movie, which doesn't make sense because their hair is green. Why wouldn't their eyebrows also be green? But I'm going to take that extra step and do it. I'm feeling pretty zombie-like, which is the brown, but when I pop on the red, ooh, then that's when we're gonna get real creepy, which is the goal, I guess. I'm gonna be honest, in zombies, when they go into like full zombie mode where they get like their veins popping, I wish I could do that look because I like them creepy. Like, they're zombies. I want to see them scary, not, oh, so cute, ooh, like they barely even look undead. Like, I like the full zombie mode. Hulking out, going, ah! I love that stuff. But anyway, I digress. Let's add the red, and then we'll be done with the look for the face. And then once my hair dries, because it's like full on crusty hard right now, and I don't think it's dry all the way yet, but once that dries, then we're going to brush it through and hopefully look a little bit more glamorous than this. This looks grotesque. It looks like Medusa, like, look at that, it's all stuck together and chunkly. But once I brush it through, hopefully it'll look a little bit more like hair and less like Play-Doh, but we shall see. Alright, here is the completed eye look. It's funny to me that this is probably going to be like my first and only makeup look that I'm going to do on this channel, and it's a gray face with like sunken in red eyes. Somehow that suits me though, so I'm cool with that. But anyway, I'm gonna let this hair dry a little bit more, brush it through. Hopefully the green tinge stays, because it clearly this is green, right? It's kind of shiny, which is weird, but hopefully when I brush it and comb it through and it looks like hair again, then it'll still be a good looking zombie look. It'll still look very green, but we shall see. Wish me luck. And this is the completed zombie look. Alright, we've done it. This is the complete zombie look. My hair has somewhat de-Play-Dohified into a somewhat normal hair texture, and I've achieved my full zombie fantasy. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey, on this descent into Disney's zombie madness. I didn't think that I would be here today doing this when I sat down to watch zombies for the first time earlier this week, but here I am. Here I am. Gray skin, red eyes, green hair, grunge clothes, which I love, by the way. And also, this is my audition tape for Zombies 3. I don't have super high ambitions. I would be willing to be a background zombie. I would set my pride aside, okay, and be Bonzo's mom or something, okay? Just to be in the vicinity of the Disney magic would be enough for me. Yeah, obviously I'm kidding. Or am I? I'm kidding. But thanks so much for indulging me in this. I am way too old to be doing this. It is July in Texas. Halloween is nowhere near, and I'm wearing a flannel and a jacket, okay? July, Texas. Here I am. This is the person I've become. Thanks again for watching. I hope that this video brought you some joy. This is not a tutorial. This was not a tutorial, but if you decide that you want to be a Disney Zombies too, then more power to you, and I wish you all the luck in your metamorphosis. This is who I am now, and I am okay with that. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.